Hi, I've been coming to Dr. Saad's office for quite a bit of time, actually like 7-8 years. There are not too many words I can say to describe how important it is to have the right healthcare for your, not just your tooth, obviously overall everything, but when you're in trouble, or even if you're not in trouble, they're always there for you. Emergency cases, non-emergency cases, you will have the confidence that you're under an excellent care. And when I mean excellent care, I really mean excellent care. It is excellent care combined with conveniences. My husband had an implant done, I had root canals done. Root canal within the same day as I had the cap on. So when I first had it done, I'll be honest, I was a little nervous, and then I realized, oh, when you have the right person, it is actually not as scary as people say it is at all. It was wonderful. It was the same day, and I had multiple root canals done, and honestly, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but it is priceless to have the right healthcare, period. That is so important. So they had an amazing match. The crowns look so natural, you really can't tell, which was another concern, but one by one, all my concerns basically went away. And yeah, it's definitely something I would highly recommend. Again, emergency, non-emergency, anything, even if it sounds scary to some people, you realize, no, if you have the right people with the confidence, I highly recommend. I was nervous about the, not just the procedure itself, but what comes next. And I found out that I did not need to be, which was a huge relief. Oh, the staff is great. They're so patient. They follow up all the time. They really work with you. I know personally that I could be a little difficult in terms of scheduling, and I'm fairly sure if they can work with me, they can work with anyone. I really do appreciate it. I do recognize it. It's not lost on me that how much effort they put in to try to make things work for you. In your terms, I would highly recommend Dent Blanche. And I'm the type of person who doesn't shy away from recommendations, but I really sincerely do recommend it. I had a great experience, to say the very least.